CAD stuff for Josh and Ricky. So we need to make a little flange for this, get our throttle body and intake kind of where we need it. So I went ahead, scanned this, imported it into Fusion, drew up the file. Now we're gonna go cut this on our WAZER. The nice part about this is the fact that we can cut 1/2 inch aluminum. It's gonna give us a nice clean edge that we're not gonna have to do much cleanup work. It's gonna be nice and precise. A lot better than using a plasma table on these smaller parts with smaller holes. So let's go ahead and get this thing running so we can get this thing done.
Top arms in.
I'm back here doing some more.
Ryan, I see you're messing with the WAZER.
Yeah, I am.
That's a good thing. I need
Yeah,
you
it
to
is.
design me something.
Oh, dude, for sure.
All right, cool. All right, well, come with me for a second.
All right.
See this little piece here?
Yeah.
There's 2 exhaust mount holes right there.
Okay.
This needs to be up and centered.
All right, so you want it like 3/4 of an inch down?
Yeah, probably just somewhere right there where, you know, I mean, I don't, obviously we need it close or far enough to where it ain't rattling.
Mm-hmm.
But if it's up there, holding, evenly spaced here, and then maybe bring it halfway down, both of them.
Okay.
Think we can make me something like that?
Dude, yeah.
All right, cool.
Pretty cool.
Kick ass.
Sweet.
So now there's
A little boring. All we had to do, got a nice square picture, scale it up, make sure it's the right size, and then you just draw it out. Use that finished product there. It's gonna look pretty nice. How's it look?
No, that's exactly what I was looking for. Yeah, that's perfect, dude.
Sweet. All right, so the WAZER just finished. We're gonna pull it out of here, see how it did. Got a little bit of cleanup to do, not much, just quick sand, but let's go test it up. Look at that, that's fitting perfect up there. That's what we like to see.